dealing with conflict and resolving disagreements. How disagreements are resolved has a significant impact on the level of satisfaction for both partners. For example, the scoring for one particular couple's questionnaire weighs each answer differently in response to the following statement. When disagreements arise, they usually result in A, the husband giving in, B, the wife giving in, or C, agreement by mutual give and take. If you answer A, you get 0 points. If you answer B, you get 2 points. If you answer C, you get 10 points. Perhaps this is where men's greater emotional sensitivity comes into play. Or are we back to the fact that they need us, and they need us a lot? Grantley Morris reported, in a survey, marrieds were asked to name their best friend. Women typically named another woman, whereas most men either named their wives or confessed to there being no one in their entire world they would call their best friend. This highlights how isolated most men are and how dependent they are upon their wives for companionship. There simply seems to be something about being male that causes this aloneness. It's so basic that it's even found in the animal kingdom. In a wide range of animal species, females generally group together with each other and with young, whereas mature males are loners, usually relating to their own species only to fight other males or to mate with females. It might take a husband years to realize just how mistaken was his presumption, and his wife's presumption, that his wife understood him. The typical husband's reliance upon his wife for companionship and emotional support makes it a chilling experience when he finally concedes she seems incapable of understanding him. Can you imagine how devastating it is to feel there's no one on the planet who knows and understands you to the degree that you crave and deserve? If genuine and not a mere pickup line, "My wife doesn't understand me," are among the loneliest words in the English language. Not only that, the inability of most men to get close to each other usually leaves him feeling unable to turn to anyone for solace, unless it be another woman. He is strongly pressured either to try that or try to protect himself from further hurt and disappointment by withdrawing somewhat from his wife and hope he can bury his pain in his job or other activities. When this happens, wives start complaining, never dreaming of the role they played in making their husbands act this way. Clearly, we need to learn how to be better at understanding one another and at recognizing the impact of our words. When a woman attacks, criticizes, blames, or complains, even if she isn't doing it intentionally, her man will feel like a loser, or he'll have to fight to avoid feeling like a loser, or he'll withdraw to avoid feeling like a loser, all of which will leave him feeling like a loser. There's no way he can win at this game, and by the way, she can't win either. The bottom line on emotions, men and women both experience a full range of vulnerable emotions, but they express those emotions differently. Men tend to take action, whereas women tend to want to talk about how they feel. However, both men and women are inclined to build walls of self-protection to keep themselves from being kicked when they're down, and the particular kinds of walls we choose to build are always painful for our partners.